Uike Lotu is a way that Tongans start off the year by getting closer with God to hopefully keep that momentum throughout the year.
Kind of like a startup to the year, a way to prepare for what is to come and kind of get things for what has happened in the following year.
Is like, where to me is like a week of like where they top walkie like the whole entire year. You know, like we all come together every morning, every night, just to pray for like different kavengas that they have. And yeah, and it's like to bless us for the whole year.
Like prayer week, I feel like it's a nice time to spend time with everybody. Praise God and all his things that he does for us.
Amen. Like, it's a whole week just dedicated to learning about specific themes per day or per morning and evening. Just something to go on with for 2026, you know, just so, like, we have a better understanding of what we're going through and we have a strong foundation on what to expect in the new year.
A lot of support. A lot of support, family gatherings. We learned a lot in helping, and there's a lot of things you learn during the Uike Lotu. Either is inside the church or you're outside. It's still on the church ground. You learn a lot from everything that's going around.
I learned how to make fried fish. I like pakapaku the fish like 2 times. And I learned how to cook a lot of other stuff too. I think I'll like take that into 2026 instead of eating out.
Something I would take with me to 2026 from Uike Lotu, I would say is preparation, because I've been helping out with a lot of the whaka'afes and they're always very prepared, so it's so it usually works out because when you prepare, good things will happen.
I learned how to conserve my energy because I have to be able to have the energy to stay awake through everything. Yeah.
The one that stood out to me the most was I forgot which day it was, but the kavenga was the mission and the vision. You know, I like the theme, how everyone we have a part to we have a part to go and make disciples, and I feel like I can take that to heart going into 2026.
Cooking, because I did a lot of whaka'afes, like the last guy said. But yeah.
I learned that even though that we are tired, even though that we have a lot of stuff going on, but it's always important to make space and time for God.
I said it best. We have more than enough. I feel like that's the most main message takeaway that I took from this, and yeah, we have more than enough.